Energy Magic. This is Rajshri. Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to do a Savan special message. Today we are going to see messages from Mahadev. Mahadev आपको क्या messages देना चाहते हैं, guidance देना चाहते हैं, महादेव आपको किस तरीके से connect करना चाहते हैं, आपकी life में किस तरीके से help करना चाहते हैं. This message is going to be very insightful for you. So yes, try to connect with this message and try to connect with this reading. This is going to be very helpful for you because as we know ये सावन का महीना है. सावन के महीने की एनर्जी बहुत हाई वाइब्रेशनल होती हैं, लव एनर्जी होती है. महादेव की लाइक इट्स द एनर्जीज आर ऑफ डिवोशन, ऑफ कमिटमेंट, राइट? So yeah, we are going to start this reading with this pure devotional energy, and this is going to be a pick a pile reading. So you will be given 2 piles to choose from, and you have to choose one pile intuitively. You can watch both piles as it resonates with you. If you feel there are messages for you, so you can choose your pile, you can watch the reading. The timestamps for your pile will be given below in the description box. You can check there. And yeah, let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for you. For those of you who choose pile 1, let's start your reading. Let's see what is the message for you. Let's start with your significator card. Okay, so your significator card is the 7 of Swords. With the 7 of Swords energy, I see that okay, the moment I flipped this card and saw this card, the first message that came to me was that Mahadev is telling you that first, you're not aware of some kind of deceiver in your life. There is some kind of person in your life that is not right for you. They're not loyal, they're not faithful, they're not truthful. Most importantly, they're not truthful, and they're like hiding things from you. They're defeating you, whether emotionally or in any way, and that you are not aware of. So Mahadev over here is putting that focus on the subject that you should be aware of such kind of person in your life where you don't think you trust people, you trust your friends, but there is someone around you that you should not be giving your time and energy to because they're not right for you, they're not trustworthy, they're not loyal to you, they're not someone that you should invest in emotionally or energetically. Let's see what is the message for you. Please connect me to my pile number 1, dear spirits. Please connect me to my pile number 1 and give me the messages for my pile number 1. Mahadev's message for my pile number 1. I see for some of you it could be, for some of you it could be that you already know that someone is not right for you, someone is not trustworthy, someone is not loyal to you, but somehow you're still allowing them in your life, allowing them in your energetic field. So you're being asked to not do that. It's not right for you, so you shouldn't allow such people around you in your life. And this is one message that I have been getting constantly in private readings as well. I think this is a collective energy right now because it is the time of change. Things are shifting. The collective consciousness is shifting. So this is one very prominent message that my clients in my private sessions are facing, where this message is coming very repeatedly, that someone around them is not loyal, they are not trustworthy, they are not truthful to my clients or to you. It is a very collective consciousness that I'm getting over here, that the collective is being awakened to some kind of cheating or deception. So just be mindful about these things. Okay. प्लीज गिव मी दी मैसेजेस फॉर माई फाइल नंबर 2. महादेव का क्या मैसेज है मेरे फॉर फाइल नंबर 1. महादेव का क्या मैसेज है मेरे फाइल नंबर 1 के लिए. डियर स्पिरिट्स, महादेव okay. So your reading is opening with this Two of Pentacles card, the Judgment card, Mother of Cups, Four of Wands, Son of Wands, Daughter of Pentacles. Okay, most of you you are aware of certain person in your life who has hurt you emotionally, and like you trusted them a lot, but they choose to betray you. They choose to basically they were not worthy of your trust. So with this Two of Pentacles card, I'm getting a major balance is coming in your life. Healing is coming in your life. Something is changing in your life. In this month of Sawan, you will experience some kind of changes coming in your life. Okay, so I will share a personal incident with you. Recently, I have experienced this change, and definitely this is a collective reading, and this reading will affect the collective consciousness. Okay, so for some reason I just felt like I felt neutral. I was not feeling anything. I didn't feel sad. I was not feeling sad. I was not feeling happy. I just got worried about it. I've never been like this, and I don't know why I don't feel anything. I just don't feel anything, and I was trying to understand what is happening with me, but nothing was working out. I tried healing, I tried cleansing, but nothing was working for me. But today, as I was like doing my regular daily puja, and I did some meditation. The moment I started my puja, that shift came, and I suddenly felt so much connected to Mahadev and to everything around you. If you can hear in this reading, the birds are chirping. Like चिड़ियों की बहुत ज़्यादा चहचहाट आ रही है यहाँ पे. It feels like being very close to nature. It feels like मतलब एक enhanced energy आ रही है जहाँ पे आप हर एक चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा connected feel कर रहे हो. It feels like suddenly एक ड्राइनेस के बाद ना वो एक विंड फॉल ऑफ इमोशन आ गया, where you feel connected to everything. Even a simple word is making you like being connected to that divine energy, like as if Mahadev has sent this bird to heal you. If you connect with birds, like if bird is your animal totem, you will completely understand with what I'm saying right now. So that kind of change is coming in the collective. Healing is coming in the collective energy. And this Judgment card, with this Judgment, again the same energy I'm getting over here when I said like ऐसा फील होता है कि आप नेचर से बहुत ज़्यादा कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, डीपली कनेक्ट कर रहे हो. यू फील not attached but connected to everything, like every minute details. When you wake up, the sound of birds. When you wake up, how the rain is pouring. It all feels so good. It all feels healing. Healing changes are coming in your life. जहाँ पे आप जो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए थे because of your past experience, because of that not so good experience with whoever was a disloyal person in your life. तो जो एक ड्राइनेस आ गई थी आपकी लाइफ में, दैट इज गोइंग टू गो अवे इन द मंथ ऑफ सावन, एंड यू विल फील, एंड यू नो, इफ यू सी, सावन इज द मंथ ऑफ मानसून, लाइक सावन स्टार्ट होता है देन वी से कि मानसून स्टार्ट हो गए अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदू कैलेंडर। सो व्हाट हैपेंस, जब बारिश आती है एवरीथिंग फील्स सो ग्रीन, everything grows on its own. You don't have to water the plants. Somehow the plants get into this energy of growth, like they're growing by themselves. They don't need any care, because that is the energy of nature. When nature blooms in Sawan, everything is very colorful, everything is very green, flowers are blooming, you know, right after spring Sawan comes. So the nature is in its full blooming energy, where everything is growing and nourishment is there. So that kind of energy, that kind of shift, that kind of healing energy is coming in your life, where you're going to feel very connected, where you're going to feel very nurtured by something, like there is a divine force that is nurturing you, like there is someone who is taking care of you, is guiding you to the right things in your life. And that judgment card is explaining this situation very well, where you are being healed just by yourself. You don't need external help, like if you were betrayed in a friendship, so you don't need another friend to help you heal. You will heal by yourself. You will feel so good, so content just being in your own energy. We also have this Mother of Cups, highly emotional energy. When you're connected to your heart chakra, when you are emotionally very balanced, very fulfilled, very content, that change is coming in your life. Emotional healing is happening in your life in the month of Sawan. Mahadev is asking you to move past your hurt, the things that you have experienced. Move past every person, every experience, every emotion that is not serving you. This is the perfect time for change. This is perfect time to embrace healing in your life. This is the perfect time to connect with yourself and nourish and nurture yourself. And this will happen. This will happen whether you want it or you don't want. If you are willing that positive change to come in your life, it's a good news, it's coming. If you are not sure what is happening, if you don't know what you want, then know that a positive healing energy, a positive healing shift is coming in your life that is going to heal you now. This is not something intentional. This is like it's given. We also have this wheel of fortune over here. It's given. Like there's a time for everything. A karmic that was a karmic cycle that you went through, whatever hurt, pain you have went through, it was meant to happen like that, to clear your karma and to teach you some lessons. Now that phase is over. Now is the phase of fulfillment, abundance, blessings in your life, where you will feel blessed, where you will feel that you are blessed by the divine in the most magical way. Why I say magical? Because we have this wheel of fortune over here. Divine timing is favoring you. Time is favoring you. Like it's your वो समय आ गया है जब आपकी हीलिंग होगी. There was a time for taking lessons. There was a time for clearing karma. We have this wheel of fortune over here. We have this 9 of wands over here, and this 10 of pentacles over here. We have this 10 of pentacles over here. So divine timing is acting in your life, where all the hurt, pain, whatever unfavorable situations you went through in your life, all the hurt, pain, traumas that you have had, It's time to close this cycle and it's time to embrace this new cycle of abundance, blessings, healing, fulfillment, and contentment in your life. That is what Mahadev is telling you with this reading and with this very divine time of Savan. And particularly today, when I'm recording this video, it's first Savan Somvar. For those of you who are observing, keeping fast, blessings to you, lots of blessings to you. It is a very positive, very divine time, to devote yourself, to commit yourself to Mahadev. So do that, because the more you are connecting with him, the more he will nourish you, regardless if you do or you don't do it doesn't matter. But if you connect with him, it gives you that inner satisfaction, inner peace. That is not an advice, it's just I'm just telling you, when you connect with him, you feel this sense of calmness within you. That is completely your choice what you want to do. Yes, so the video just stopped filming, so I have to restart it. Okay, so Mahadev's message for you over here is that whatever negative karma that was supposed to clear in your life is now cleared, and now you are entering into this new cycle, new phase of abundance, joy, and prosperity in your life, where you're going to have all the fulfillment, abundance, and blessings in your life. You're going to be very successful in your professional life, and you're going to have all the emotional fulfillment in your life, emotional balance in your life. You're going to celebrate something with your family and friends and close ones. With this Four of Wands card I'm seeing, you're celebrating your success, you're celebrating you achieving some kind of goals in your life with your near and dear ones. And with this daughter of Pentacles over here, I'm getting you're going to attract, you're going to manifest some kind of financial opportunity in your life that is going to bring a lot of stability in your life, financial stability in your life. We have this Ten of Pentacles card, which talks about all this fulfillment regarding your material life, your 3D life. So whatever you wish and desire to have in this life, all of it is coming to you. Okay, so with this Judgment card, I'm also getting one message that whatever you have lost till now, or whatever you have not received in the process of clearing your karma, it is all coming back to you. And okay, so we have this 2 number is very prominent, and I don't know why I was going to say, but I just stopped while saying it. Like, whatever you have lost or whatever you didn't receive in the process of clearing your karma, you're going to get it all back twofold. And that is a gift to you from the universe. You are blessed abundantly. You are blessed with all the abundance in this world. You have been through a lot. You have been through a lot. You have faced lots of obstacles, struggles, challenges in your life. That didn't break you. The good part is that all those challenges, struggles didn't break you, and your persistent and your courage to move forward in your life is rewarding you with all these blessings and abundance that you're going to receive in this next phase, next cycle of your life. You have cleared some major karmic challenges in your life, karmic cycles in your life, and now is the time for you to shine and rise in your power. Now is the time to shine and rise in your power, to receive all that you have vowed for, to receive all that you desire. And you have been manifesting these things in your life, and it's all coming to you. So let's see what else. What else is happening for my pile number 1? It's raining heavily. See, yes, you have been through some financial challenges in your life. You have been through some financial challenges in your life where you didn't receive the amount that you wanted at a particular time, and that made you really, you know, really sad. You got really upset, but now the universe is rewarding you. Something tells me your reading is about financial abundance, because you have lost those finances in the process of clearing this karmic cycle in your life. So you're blessed abundantly. You're going to be blessed abundantly with lot of financial opportunities and financial fulfillment in your life, material wealth in your life. You also have this King of Pentacles over here, which talks about, you know, stability in your 3D life, in your material life, stability in your finances. Yeah. So, yes, you have faced some really tough situations in your life. You have really faced some really, I'm getting, sorry, I'm getting this. I don't know why. Okay, for some of you, you have been through some kind of health issues. You have been through some kind of health issues, and you took your lesson, you healed yourself, you did your inner work, you did your shadow work, and now the universe is rewarding you because you took your lessons. With this Hierophant card is there over here. You took your lessons, and now you're being blessed with this, with this key I'm getting over here, like opportunities. The key of opportunity is to open roads to wealth, success, abundance, and prosperity in your life, because you didn't give up. You didn't give up. All the challenges that were thrown at you, you took your lessons, you worked on yourself, you didn't give up on yourself, you didn't give up on your journey, and now you are being rewarded for the lessons that you have taken in your life. You are going to be rewarded with this abundance, success, fulfillment, blessings in your life, financial blessings. Financial blessing is very prominent over here. You're going to get some great financial opportunities in your life. Pile number 1. Congratulations and many blessings to you. Okay, let's see. Please give me some guidance for my pile number 1. Dear spirits, give me some guidance for my pile number 1. What is Mahadev's guidance for my pile number 1? Mahadev को क्या guidance है pile number 1 के लिए? Oh my God. So the guidance is that pile number 1, Mahadev clearly wants to tell you that success is all yours. We have the Sun card over here. We have this 6 of Wands card over here. Victory is all yours. You're going to be victorious in your life. Again, I'm getting the energy of finances over here. A lot of financial abundance coming your way. You're going to be very wealthy, and you're going to be very fulfilled materially. You are gaining some kind of success and victory in your life, and for some of you, you're getting married. For some of you, getting engaged to your loved ones. For all the blockages, obstacles that you have gone through, you have earned this wisdom in your life. So if you are still facing some challenges, if you are still going through some rough cycle in your life, know that success is all yours. For some of you, it is an ongoing process. For some of you, this challenging cycle, this challenging phase is an ongoing process for you, where you feel you don't see way through your challenges, your obstacles, your situations. But know that Mahadev wants to tell you, success is all yours. You're going to be victorious. You're going to get all that you desire right now. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. And keep supporting yourself. You don't need validations from others. That is the guidance for you. You don't need validations from others. You've got to support yourself and stand for yourself. And you will be given things that you need to manifest your goals. You just have to, stick around, to stick with yourself. Don't ever quit on yourself. Yes, don't quit on yourself. Keep moving forward and have be persistent. Have that courage in you that things are going to work out for you, and this is a confirmation that things will work out for you and you will get all that you desire right now. New opportunities are coming towards you. This is a confirmation. If you see this reading, if you're seeing this message, if you find no hope in your life, know that new opportunities are coming in your life. Some of you are currently going through this rough cycle of clearing your karma, and you see no hope in your life, but know that it's all coming for you. Know that it's all happening for you. It's all these things that you're going through right now, it is for your own greatest good, for your own highest good. So get in alignment with your success. Don't give up on yourself. Keep working hard. Keep moving. It doesn't matter if you are moving slow, it doesn't matter as long as you are moving forward. You're walking this path. Keep walking this path. Don't ever quit. Don't ever, get weighed down by your challenges, your obstacles. Know that divine is always guiding you. If you believe in Mahadev, know that Mahadev is always guiding you, supporting you. He's standing behind you, supporting you. So yeah, that is the guidance for you, and that these are the messages for you. I hope this reading resonated with you. I hope it gave you some kind of guidance, clarity, anything that you needed to know. And if it did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I also offer personal tarot readings and remedies, healings. If you want to book a session with me, the details are given in the description box. You can check there. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light. Har Har Mahadev. For those of you who chose pile 1, let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for you. We'll start with your significator card, pile number 2. I hope I said pile number 2. Okay. So pile number 2, your significator card is the Son of Swords. With the Son of Swords, I see you're trying to aim some kind of goal in your life, where you have some kind of goal in your life, some kind of ideas in your life, and it is at a very initial level. You have some kind of idea, some kind of concept in your mind that is it's like a seed. Okay. So you have some kind of idea in your mind, some kind of, it's like a seed in your mind. It's at a very basic level, where if you work on it, you can get some great success in your life. So with this card, Mahadev is giving you this confirmation. Whatever ideas that you have in your mind, you should work on it. You should take it to the next level to execute it, and it can turn out into something big, something worth investing in. So if you had any such ideas in your mind, or anything that you want to grow, that you want to start, you should definitely work on it. Let's see what are the messages for you. Please connect me to my pile number 2, dear spirits. Connect me to my pile number 2 and give me the messages for my pile number 2. This 7 is bringing some great things in your life. Oh my god. Oh my god. I could see some of you are coming from pile number one. Some of you are coming from pile number one. Welcome back. Okay, definitely some of you are coming from pile number one. Your reading is opening with this Eight of Swords card. So, pile number two. Mahadev here wants to tell you that if you were feeling stuck in your life, if you were feeling stuck in certain situation in your life, know that it's time to unstuck yourself. It's time to move forward. It's time to release everything that was stopping you to have those success, to have whatever you wanted to have in your life. So Mahadev's message for you is that I have to show you this, okay? So Mahadev's message for you is that we have this Eight of Swords card where you feel stuck, you feel powerless, you feel like you are being trapped into a certain situation where you're not able to move, you're not able to see through, you're not able to understand what is happening with you and how you can come out of that situation, and what you should do to move forward, or what you should do to have success in your life. And when you look at the second card, you having all that you ever wished for. With this Ten of Cups, you're going to be very fulfilled, very content. So it's time to close that chapter in your life and to be receptive, for your success, for your abundance, for your wish fulfillment, whatever you wanted in your life. It's time to receive all that. So Mahadev's message for you is that with the Savan, this new cycle of receiving your gift is like coming in your life. It's starting in your life. Definitely some of you are coming from pile number one. If you see this card, you will know. So it's such a devotional time. It's raining out there, yet people are like greeting each other by saying Har Har Mahadev. So, and I have this Hierophant card. It is a highly spiritual card. It's the card of seeking knowledge, gaining wisdom, taking your lessons. And we are talking about Mahadev's message. So you took some hard lessons in your life, and you completed some cycles in your life for which you are going to be rewarded in the next chapter of your life, where you're going to receive all the abundance, prosperity, wealth, success. Again, for pile number one, I have been constantly saying this is something about your finances. Here as well, we have this Father of Pentacles card and this Ten of Pentacles card. Okay, so it is the card of fulfillment, financial abundance, financial success in your career, in your professional life, and having it all in your life, where you're so financially abundant that you're not just filling your own cup, but you are filling other people's cups around you, where you are you are making some great changes, like that is helping other people in their life. If you could be donating, you could be doing some charity work that is helping other people as well. Like it's a very selfless energy, where the wealth that you have received or you're going to receive, you're going to share it with others. Share it in the sense like you're going to help someone who genuinely needs it. You're going to use your wealth in a very positive way. You're going to be very abundant. Pile number one, we have this Nine of Swords card. So yeah, your cycle of taking lessons and closing old chapters, clearing karmic cycle, it's over. Now is the time for you to reap the results of your hard work. Now is the time for you to receive all the rewards for the hardships that you have faced in your life, like whatever lessons you took, now you're being rewarded. How when you give an exam, you are rewarded with, marks, like to know how well you have done. So that is the kind of energy over here, like you are going to be rewarded so much with all that you have ever desired and wished to have in your life. You're going to have it all. What else? Please give me the messages for my file number 2. What is Mahadev's message for my file number 2? I feel file number 2 is a continuation of file number 1, where you're being asked to be goal oriented. If you have any kind of goal and you are belittling it, like you're not sure if it is going to work, if it's going to give you any result or rewards, this is a confirmation sign for you that it will work in your favor. You should work on it. You should, for you that you should work on it. You should take any kind of opportunity that's coming in your life. It could be that there is some kind of opportunity coming in your life, but you feel that it's a very small opportunity, it might not give you the results, but it's not so. You should take whatever opportunity that you're getting in your life. Grab all opportunities right now, because that is going to turn into something very fruitful, and you're going to get some great results with something as small that you think right now. It is it right now. So it is like literally at the level of a seedling, like something is seedling, and mostly people would let it go, because you don't see a promising future with it. So you're being asked over here to not let any kind of fruitful opportunities slip from your hand, just because you cannot see its worth right now. But it is going to bear great results in the future. Bottom of the deck we have the Star card. Major wish fulfillment. Whatever opportunities that you are presented right now in your life, that is going to turn into something really big, and that you will be grateful for that you took that opportunity. So if you have something like that in your life, grab that opportunity, don't let it go. It is going to turn into something very fruitful, very favorable later on in your life. Not later on, like if you keep working on it, it is going to give you great results. And yeah, again we have this Two of Pentacles card and Ace of Swords card, pile number 1. I hope you remember these cards. So yes, major changes are coming in your life, and healing is coming in your life. Some opportunities are coming in your life. Okay, so major healing and changes are coming in your life. That is going to give you some kind of mental clarity, and that is going to give you that open up some kind of mental space in your life, where you will be able to see even the minute details and how to turn that into gold. That is what is going to happen in your life. I'm getting this quote that I've read, like everything you touch is going to turn into gold, because you have become this alchemist with your experiences and lessons that you have been through in your life. You have become this alchemist that whatever you touch, it will turn into gold. Whatever you start, it is going to be very fruitful. It is going to bear you great results and benefits in your life. Please give me some more messages for my pile number 2. This message for my pile number 2, dear spirits. I am not kidding, this reading, pile number 2, it's a continuation for pile number 1. If you have not seen pile number 1, you should definitely go and watch pile 1. Okay, so yeah, you're becoming this emperor, you're becoming this leader. You are becoming this leader in your life. In the next chapter of your life, you're becoming this leader where you are going to be a provider, where you are going to provide others with guidance, with with what you have learned in your life. Now is the time to impart all the lessons that you took in your life, that is going to help others in their life. And also you're becoming this leader where you're helping and guiding people. Okay. And like being a leader is not about receiving good things. Being a leader is a responsibility. So you now this shows that you have matured enough with all the experiences in your life. Right now you could not be seeing that light because of those obstacles, challenges around you. But know that you are someone who is very mature and who is very capable, who is very capable to lead. And that is your future. You're going to lead in your future. You're going to help people. You're going to do something that is connected, that is related to people, where your actions are going to help other people around you. Okay. You have been through some of the lowest phase in your life, where literally there was no light, where there was no hope left, but you chose to rise from it instead of falling into victimhood. You choose to rise from it, and that courage, that perseverance is like now rewarding you with some great opportunity, success, abundance, fulfillment in your life. Majorly I'm getting financial blessings coming in your life, like some major financial opportunities that's coming in your life. And it's like you're going to use that financial opportunity to do many things in your life. Like you wanted to do something big, but you are not getting the right opportunity. You're not prepared with the right kind of finances. But now that is happening. If something was not, like if you feel stuck because of the finances, because you didn't have that kind of money with you to keep something, like to keep moving forward or keep working things, so that financial opportunity is coming towards you, where you will be able to do things that you wanted to do, that were keeping you stuck. Yes, things are changing for you. Things are changing for you. Bottom of the deck, we have this devil card. Things are changing for you. You are getting, like if there was a pause in your life, nothing was happening. If there was some kind of stagnancy in your life where you felt nothing is moving, nothing is happening, like nothing is happening at all in your life, and it was frustrating. So now you should know that that stagnancy is going away, and a new fresh air is coming in your life, a new fresh air of opportunities, of I don't know why I heard clients. If it resonates with you, a new new air of freshness, like fresh air of opportunities, abundance, prosperity, wealth, success is coming in your life, where something small is going to, like a very small opportunity is coming in your life that is going to give you great results and benefits in your life. You should know that this is a very strong message over here. Don't ignore any opportunity just because you don't see its worth right now. Take all opportunities that's coming your way. Please give me the guidance for my pile number 2, dear spirits. See, it's all about finances. It's all about your career, your professional life. Yes. So the guidance over here is that I am sensing that right now you're feeling stuck in your life about a particular situation, and you're feeling stuck financially, because all the cards over here are for, like, pentacles cards over here we have. And in the main message is that you're receiving that financial blessings in your life. And again we have this mother of pentacles card and this star card over here. The major wish fulfillment, if something that you have been manifesting for a long time now, it's coming to you. I just saw a big house. So if some of you manifesting house, you're going to buy a new house for yourself, like that kind of financial abundance is coming in your life. So the guidance over here is keep working. We have this 8 of Pentacles card and Ace of Cups card. So keep working, keep working with the energy. Don't work like, oh my god, this happened but I have to work. No, don't operate from that energy. Try to bring love in your life. Try to bring love for the things that you do in your life. Okay, that is going to raise your vibration. Now this is your guidance. Try to bring love in your life. Do anything that you're doing with the energy of love, from love, that it's okay whatever happened. Now let's, don't be bitter about things. It's all happening for you. No one is against you. No one is trying to harm you. Whatever situations you have gone through, it was all happening for you to clear your karmic baggages, to clear your karmic cycles. It is all happening for you. Know that. So get into that alignment and operate from the energy of love. If you're working on something, do it for yourself. Do it because you love doing it, and it will definitely bring you results. And it is going to raise your vibrations. That is going to help you manifest your goals easily and faster in your life, right? And you're going to cherish this new cycle, this new chapter that's coming in your life with your loved ones, with your family. Like you're going to do something for your family. I'm also getting for some of you the finances that you're going to receive, the financial opportunity or financial abundance that you're going to receive. You're going to do something for your family. Like you really wanted to do something for your family, and now when you're receiving all those abundance, so now you feel it's the right time to gift your family members something, or to do something for your family that they're going to love. That kind of financial success is coming in your life. And the guidance over here is that keep your goals in your mind. Don't give up right when you're about to receive your abundance. Okay, keep working. Push through this phase in your life. Keep working hard. Keep moving forward. With the star card, it's a confirmation. Whatever you have in your life, whatever you wanted, it's all coming to you. It is all coming to you. So keep moving forward. Don't just give up for anything. Don't give up. Just keep working, keep moving, and do it with the energy of love. So yeah, that is the message for you, and that was your reading. I hope it resonated with you. I hope it gave you some kind of guidance, clarity, anything that you needed to know. And if it did, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also offer private tarot readings and healings. If you want to book a session with me, the details are given below in the description box. You can check there. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light. Har Har Mahadev.